How to recover permanently deleted Snapchat account after 30 days. Hello everyone, I'm Anna here to guide you. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up any internet browser. Here, for me, I'm opening Google Chrome. After opening it, simply click on the search bar. And then here, all you need to do is type Snapchat support. Click on the first link that appears on your screen. And then here scroll down to the very end and then click on the option contact us. Here simply click on the option I can't access my account and then here I think my account was compromised. Now scroll down to submit a report. Scroll down to the very end and then here you need to type your username, email address and mobile number, and then in the description box you need to write the issue whatever you are facing. You need to request to recover your permanently deleted Snapchat account, and after that click on the option of submit, and within the next 24 hours your permanently deleted Snapchat account will be recovered. So that's it for the video. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions? Please leave in the comments down below. Signing up until next time.